Tracking storms, alerting you, protecting your family. It's time for 10 Weather.
You know, this January has been kind of funny, hasn't it?
You know what? Not bad. The weather was perfect last night for the game, and we're warming up.
Yeah, gradually. But you know, a lot of folks were in town for the weekend when we had our coldest temperatures on Sunday. But that's how winter is for us. We get 2, maybe 3 days at the most of it, and then we warm back up. We are headed back to the upper 70s to near 80 degrees next couple of days. We've got quite a bit of clouds out there this afternoon. You can see these from Lakewood Ranch. They are thinning out a little bit. You can see some holes there as well, too. But this is a little bit of low-level moisture. Couple sprinkles falling out of those, not here in Lakewood Ranch, but in the Polk County, and I'll show you those coming up. But generally, we're in the mid-60s, and most areas are dry. 64 in Lakeland, 68 in Bradenton, 68 in Tampa, 67 in Brooksville. High temperatures. Sarasota about 72, about 73 in Tampa. St. Pete about the same. Land O'Lakes is now at 66 degrees. New Tampa about the same. And even Ruskin, even out towards Fishhawk, 65, 66 degrees right now. So here are the showers on Storm Tracker 10. Not all of this is actually making it to the ground, but some of it is. And you can see it's mainly in Polk County because it's coming from the East Coast, and it tends to dry out as it moves its way off towards the west. So this little cell right here, it is enough to have the windshield wipers just briefly if you're moving up I-4, heading on that direction here. And that's going to bring it over towards the Rock Ridge area about 6:55. So give us a good half hour. So this thing's moving like 8, 9 miles per hour. It's not moving very fast. And it will tend to weaken as well, too. Now, cloud-wise, you can see they have pushed back towards the coast. But watch the last couple of frames that are thinning out just a little bit. And so overnight tonight, that'll be the case. We'll go from mostly cloudy to partly cloudy for overnight, and that'll drop temperatures back down into the mid-50s. 50 is where the average low temperature is right now. About 51, 50, 51, depending on where you're at. It's where we were at this morning, too. We bottomed out about 50 degrees. Now, tomorrow, we're going to bottom out in the mid-50s, so we'll be a couple degrees warmer. And by the afternoon hours, we'll be a couple degrees warmer. We were 73 today. We'll be about 76 for tomorrow. And I think those low-level clouds will come back not quite as much as what we saw today, but certainly partly cloudy by the afternoon. We'll go 77 for a daytime high. East to northeast winds go a little east to southeast. Those are really warm winds for us, and so that's the reason for the warming trend. Now, boating looks really good. 5 to 10 knots, that's it. It looked great out there this afternoon. Tomorrow will be more of the same, 1 to 2 footers out on the Gulf, 63 in the water, and a light chop on the bay. So good boating weather. All right, wind chills right now. 14 below is what it feels like in Bismarck, 6 below in Minneapolis, but there's colder air blowing in. And what's going to happen over the next couple of days is that air will sink south and east slowly through Chicago. These are highs for Thursday. But look at us. I mean, we're topping out close to 80 degrees Wednesday and Thursday, more so Thursday and Friday. But the cold air is going to stay up to the north, and I think the deep south will be the warm areas over the next couple of days. All right, so 7-day forecast looks really good. I got your normals up there, the normal high, normal low. But we're nowhere near that. Good, almost 10 degrees above average through the upcoming weekend. And, guys, basically dry, too. So low rain chances, just a sprinkle or two each afternoon. And the humidity, well, that will stay low as well.